In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Bloxstrap Mods on Discord. Now, to get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Discord on your device. You can do this on the application or the web version of Discord. Now, on here, go ahead and click on the server name and click on server settings. Now, this will redirect you to the server settings of the server. In here, go ahead and click on the enable community section. This will allow you to head over to the enable community section. Now go ahead and click on the get started button and check all the check boxes necessary for this. Click on next and go ahead and click on next again to proceed on finishing touches. Now after this, you can go ahead and finish this setup, and after that you'll need to go ahead and head over to the developers portal or the Discord developers portal. In here, make sure that you're signed in to your Discord account. So just go ahead and click on the new application button. Now go ahead and name this application and check this checkbox to create a new application on your Discord developer portal. So just go ahead and click on the create button. Now in here, go ahead and head over to the bot section. You'll find this above the emojis section. So just go ahead and click on the bot. Now in here, go ahead and scroll down in this area and look for the privilege gateway intent section. So in this area, you'll need to enable all of these intents to be able to proceed and save the changes. Now after this, just go ahead and scroll up in this section to be able to find the reset token button. So just go ahead and scroll up and click on reset token. Now click on yes, do it. Now in this section, you'll need to enter your password to confirm this action. And after this, just go ahead and head over to the bot ghost website. So in here, just go ahead and click on the create a bot button, and this will redirect you to the authorization section where you'll need to authorize the connection between your Discord account and bot ghost. So just go ahead and scroll down in this section and click on the authorize button to authorize the connection between bot ghost and your Discord account. Now this will redirect you to the homepage of bot ghost. So in this area, just go ahead and click on the go online button to go online. After that, just go ahead and X all of the other things that will pop on your screen. Now in here, just go ahead and scroll down at the left side of your screen and look for the active developer badge. So head over in this section, make sure that you have active developer badge enabled and you have the manager permission enabled under this. So go ahead and head over to the invite section and invite this application to your server. So just go ahead and select your server and click on continue to continue with the next steps. Now after this, you get redirected to your Discord server. So as you can see on your Discord server, on the general section, you'll find this notification that states that this bot is among the members of this guild or server. And here, go ahead and enter /active developer badge and hit on the enter button to be able to proceed. Under the response of this bot, just go ahead and click on the check status button to check the status of your active developer badge and claim it if it's already available. So in this section, just go ahead and select an active application, select a support server for this application, and select a channel to subscribe to their announcements. Now click on the claim button, and this will redirect you into this page where you can find that you have claimed your active developer badge.